Page 265. This is number 3 at the top of the page. Another reading exercise. Let's see what we got. I look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 2 flats in the key signature. So we're either in the key of B flat major or G minor. I look at the end here. Ending on G's, I figure we're in G minor. And the F sharps kind of give it away too, because in a harmonic minor, remember the 7th step is up 1. So we would expect to see F sharps in G minor. 6/8 time again. This time we don't have a bunch of 8th notes all over, but the 6/8 time, that dotted quarter note, remember, is the same as 3/8 notes, so it works out that way. The left hand is playing on the natural accents. The right hand first. Now you're here to start. 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 4. Again, we got repeated notes. We're just changing hand positions. 2, 3, and then again, change. Now in measure 3 here, you don't want to be up here, then you can't do that. You're starting here, but I can go anywhere I want after that. I can go here, and then I can do that. So you figure out a fingering that works for you. The fingering in the book is fine if you want to use it, if your fingers fit. Then the left hand. Well, that's just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is fun. So we put the heads together. If I hesitate, that's fine. I don't know. I just want to. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here. So I put the hands together. Then I go back over it slowly and get rid of the hesitation. So it's a steady beat. A steady 8th note pulse throughout. Once I do that, I can think about the articulation, which is kind of difficult because of the chords. You can't connect repeated chords, but you try and connect the others. Lift up. These are phrases here. Lift up. So try and connect them as best you can, in the right hand lifting up for the phrase, and the left hand, I suggest you just connect it. It's interpretation. They don't say anything. You could disconnect them if you wanted to. I could do that. But in today's environment, what you go to first is you connect it. And then you decide, do I like that or not? And then you change it. So we connect them. Now, you have repeated notes in the left hand. And when you're lifting up in the right hand for the phrase, you can go ahead and lift the left hand up with it, because they're repeated notes. If they were not repeated notes, I'd say connect the left hand. But there isn't any point in giving a nice big between the phrase silence, like taking a breath in one hand and then lifting up just short in the other hand. Just doing both the same. Now the dynamics, impious, mezzo, piano are sort of soft, and that's going to be the right hand. Whatever you think sort of soft is. This left hand needs to be really in the background. And then the speed is lento. Well, lento is slow. Slow. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 2, 3. The problem we have is that on piano, that drags. On a wind instrument or violin or something where they can carry the sound on, you can get away with that. But on piano, it just hits it and dies away. And then it hits it and dies away. And it's blah. So you can't go too lento, too slow. It's like the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we're feeling those, not the beat. 1, 2, 3. Because that's kind of slow. to me, it's close enough. You might go a little slower than that. I don't know that I'd go much faster than that. And there's a note under this one to transpose it to A minor. We're in G minor. They want to go up to A minor. It's one up. We're going up one note. So the music, all the stuff goes up, and we're playing all white keys except for the G. We're going to use G sharps if we have them. So here, instead of here, we're here. G sharp now. And this is, all the notes are just up one. Just they're all up one. That's the idea. A minor. Oh, good practice. Wouldn't hurt you to go down to F minor if you want. Go down one note. F minor has 4 flats. Just not a big deal, right? Just 4 flats. A B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Everything but the G flat. And you're just playing those. Just playing the notes in F minor. Except, and we want an E natural, because that's the 7th step. E minor. F minor. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Let's play it together slowly and just check the notes as it's written here. Now, on this one, I'm going to speed it up a little bit in the play with me, and I put the metronome on the natural accents. So it's beating the dotted quarter notes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2. That's how fast we'll go. I'll give us 6 counts to come in. 6/8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3.